Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is factorize x to the power 6 minus 7x cube minus 8. Here we need to break down the second term. Breaking down minus 7 as minus 8 plus 1, we get x to the power 6 minus 8x cube plus x cube minus 8. Taking out x cube common from the first two terms, we are left with x cube minus 8. Taking out 1 common from the last two terms, we are again left with x cube minus 8. Now taking out x cube minus 8 common, we are left with x cube plus 1. Now we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Using this, the expression becomes x cube minus 2 cube into x cube plus 1, that is equal to x minus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4 into x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is factorize x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. Taking out x square common from the first two terms, we are left with x plus y. Again taking out y square common from the last two terms, we are left with x plus y. Now taking out x plus y whole common, we are left with x square plus y square. So the final result is x plus y into x square plus y square. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is factorize x cube y cube minus y cube plus 8x cube minus 8. Taking out y cube common from the first two terms, we are left with x cube minus 1. Again taking out 8 common from the last two terms, we are again left with x cube minus 1. Now taking out x cube minus 1 common, we are left with y cube plus 8. We know that a cube minus b cube can be written as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Therefore, x cube minus 1 into y cube plus 8, which can be written as x cube minus 1 cube into y cube plus 2 cube, on simplification can be written as x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 into y plus 2 into y square minus 2y plus 4. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is factorize x cube plus 8y to the power 6. X cube plus 8 into y to the power 6 can be written as x cube plus 2 cube into y cube whole square that is x cube plus 2y square whole cube, and we know that a cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Therefore, x cube plus 8y to the power 6 can be written as x plus 2y square whole into x square minus 2xy square plus 4y to the power 4. This is the required factorized expression. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, factorize z to the power 5 plus 32. 32 can also be written as 2 to the power 5. Now we know that a to the power n plus b to the power n has a plus b as a factor if n is a positive odd integer and therefore a to the power n plus b to the power n becomes a plus b into a to the power n minus 1 minus a to the power n minus 2b plus a to the power n minus 3b square minus and so on up to minus a into b to the power n minus 2 plus b to the power of n minus 1. Using this concept, z to the power 5 plus 32, that is z to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 5, can be written as z plus 2 into z to the power 4 minus 2z cube plus 4z square minus 8z plus 60. This is the required factorization. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, factorize 27x cube minus y cube. Here, 27 can also be written as 3 cube. Therefore, the expression becomes 3x whole cube minus y cube, and we know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Therefore, 27x cube minus y cube becomes 3x minus y into 3x whole square plus 3xy plus y square, that is 3x minus y into 9x square plus 3xy plus y square. This is the required factorization. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, factorize y to the power 7 minus z to the power 7. We know that a to the power n minus b to the power n has a minus b as a factor if n is a positive integer. This gives a to the power n minus b to the power n as a minus b into a to the power n minus 1 plus a to the power n minus 2 into b plus a to the power n minus 3 into b square and so on up to a into b to the power n minus 2 plus b to the power n minus 1. Therefore, we have y to the power 7 minus z to the power 7 as y minus z into y to the power 6 plus y to the power 5 into z plus y to the power 4 into z square plus y cube into z cube plus y square into z to the power 4 plus y into z to the power 5 plus z to the power 6. This is the required factorization. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the HCF and LCM of first 9x to the power 4 y square and 12x cube y cube, and second 6x minus 6y and 4x square minus 4y square. Taking up the first one, that is 9x to the power 4 y square and 12x cube y cube. We first factorize 9x to the power 4 y square and get 3 square into x to the power 4 into y square, and on factorizing 12x cube y cube we get 2 square into 3 into x cube into y cube. This gives HCF as 3x cube y square and LCM as 3 square into 2 square into x to the power 4 into y cube, that is 36x to the power 4 y cube. Taking up the second one, that is 6x minus 6y and 4x square minus 4y square, we get on factorization of 6x minus 6y 2 into 3 into x minus y, and on factorization of 4x square minus 4y square 2 square into x square minus y square, which can be written further as 2 square into x plus y into x minus y. This gives the HCF as 2 into x minus y and the LCM as 2 square into 3 into x minus y into x plus y, that is 12 into x square minus y square. This is the required solution. Thank you.